So this is business templates. What do templates do? Templates are a guide saving you time, money, and effort. It is going to be 5 financial business templates that are in Excel. Not only are they the templates, but also it's going to be a training video showing you exactly how to use them. All of these documents have the formulas built in so you can plug your numbers in and go. This is going to be the 5. I'm going to quickly go over it. Startup cost. Whether you're a new company or you're just starting a new project inside of your company, it's a great way to itemize the expenses and also figure out how you're going to account for the financing aspect of that new startup or that new cost. The next thing is pro forma, my personal favorite. Looking at income, looking at expenses, and cash flow. Like, this is going to be over a 12-month period. It's so important and so vital. If you are not stepping in your business, knowing your numbers with a pro forma and projections, this is the key to everything. This is how you step confidently, knowing what your income is, knowing what your expenses, and making sure there's profit as you continue to step forward month by month. Balance sheet looks at our business value. So we're going to be looking at assets, liabilities, and equity. So if you are starting a new company and you don't have a balance sheet yet, it is just a template that can help outline where your company is now, and you can duplicate that for now and a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, so that you are building out projections and stepping towards a positive business evaluation. Cost benefit analysis. When you first start a company or a project, this is something you're going to use all the time to compare 2 different scenarios. And that's exactly what this is. It's a very simple form looking at the financial aspect, but also looking at the pros and the cons. Whether you're starting a new venture and you're making a lot of decisions, I can guarantee you this is a template you will refer to all the time as you continue to pivot and evolve your company down the path that it's going. It is something that I refer to all the time. And last but not least, if you are looking to grow your company, whether you're a service-based business or a product-based business or a combination of the two, this is going to look at inventory, how much we're looking to sell, and how do we have calculated growth through a marketing budget and allocate it month by month, backing that into a pro forma statement. If you like what you're hearing here and you're wanting to learn more, you can also check out Start Knowing My Numbers Business Edition, where I really dive into all of the financial stuff with small business. But this right here is the templates that can get you started, saving you time, money, and giving you a way for your business to plug in your numbers and go.